How many washers do you guys have?
Those.
And this is the 20 centimeter string? What was your hypothesis?
3, 2, 1, time.
Did you make one?
Nope.
Well, as we're sitting here waiting for this thing to stop swinging, what's your hypothesis?
It's gonna last until.
Turning on to 10,
Well, what do you think? The longer string will swing longer?
20.
Might swing some shorter.
Yes.
You think it's shorter?
Uh-huh.
Okay. What about with more washers?
More washers, the longer.
Choke.
More washers, the longer it'll swing?
No,
3, 2,
wait, no,
1.
Yeah, I think the more washers, the shorter it'll swing.
Okay. The longer the string, the longer it will swing.
I think you said the longer the swing would be. You mean the longer it swings for? Or?
And you should change this one a second.
So the longer the string, you think the longer it'll swing for? Okay. What about
But we don't want to
with more washers?
So I should change it to like.
What do you think will happen?
5 seconds.
Yeah.
It might swing for even longer. The longer it is.
So the more washers, the longer it'll swing?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, cool. So which string is this?
It's 30 centimeter, 2 washers.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
This is, I don't think this one's going to be after seeing that last.
Okay, so this is the 20 centimeter string with 6 washers. Stopwatch. And it's important to get a good pen here. Okay, that's pretty good. And we're going to drop it from 45 degrees.
Little camera phone over there. Look at that thing.
GoPro. Okay, we got 3 minutes, 16 seconds about for the 20 centimeter string with 6 washers. So that's cool.